Let me show you how to make these fudgy air fryer chocolate baked oats. They are super easy to make and taste absolutely delicious. If you do not have an air fryer, you can simply bake them in the oven instead. To make these air fryer baked oats, start by mixing 3/4 of a cup of butter, which is about 170 grams, with 1 cup of brown sugar, that's about 200 grams. The butter should be soft at room temperature so it mixes smoothly with the sugar, as you can see in the video here. Now, take 2 eggs and add them into the bowl with the butter and sugar. Start with 1 egg. Crack it in, then stir it through until you can't see streaks of egg anymore and the mixture looks smooth again. Once that first egg is mixed in properly, crack in the second one and stir again. The batter will loosen up a bit and get creamier, and you'll see everything coming together into one even mixture. Now add 2 cups of all-purpose flour, which is about 260 grams, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 2 cups of rolled oats. That is about 180 grams. Stir everything in until the dry ingredients are mixed through and the oats are spread evenly. The dough will get a bit thick and heavy now, as you can see in the video here, but that's exactly what you want. Next, take a small springform pan that fits inside your air fryer basket and line it with parchment paper. Scoop in about 2/3 of the oat mixture and press it down gently so it makes an even base that covers the bottom of the pan, just like this. Then, leave it aside for a minute. Next, pour a can of sweetened condensed milk into a small saucepan. Then, add 1½ cups of semi-sweet chocolate and 2 tablespoons of butter. Place the pan over low heat and stir the whole time so nothing sticks or burns on the bottom. Keep stirring until the butter melts and the chocolate is fully melted into the condensed milk. The mixture should look smooth and glossy, like a thick chocolate sauce. Now, take the pan with the oat base and pour the chocolate filling right on top. Give it a moment to spread, then use a spoon to guide it gently across the surface. Work it into the corners and smooth it out so you have an even layer of chocolate covering all the oats. Next, take the remaining oat mixture and drop small pieces of it over the chocolate layer. Scatter them around so you get little patches of oats across the top, with some of the chocolate peeking through in between, just like I am doing here. Next, take your air fryer basket and carefully set the pan inside. Bake the oat and chocolate mixture at 170 degrees Celsius, which is 350 degrees Fahrenheit, for about 25 minutes. The chocolate oat dessert is ready when the kitchen smells absolutely amazing. The top of the oats is lightly golden, and the chocolate filling looks set and fudgy. This air fryer chocolate baked oats recipe is a lot like an oatmeal cookie turned into a layered bake. The oats taste buttery and chewy, the chocolate middle sets like fudge, and together it feels close to what people call chocolate revel bars. Only here it is baked in a round pan, so you slice it more like a cake or pie. If you like baking in your air fryer, then check out this air fryer brownies recipe also. They come out so fudgy and rich, with a soft center and that classic crackly top. Check it out now!